Turbo EX60, what Google built-in can bring to improve your driver's driving experience with Gemini built-in right into the screen, into your car, as well as a rich app ecosystem to build in. So let's talk about the app ecosystem first. So we have the Play Store featuring hundreds of applications. You can see lots and lots of applications, some of your favorite ones including like Spotify, YouTube Music, Prime Video, HBO Max, and very soon it will also be Zoom for your video conferencing needs. So all of these apps are natively built in iOS to give you that snappy native look and feel. They're also built for car, right? As in with the car experience and user experience. So let's talk about Spotify first, right? So Spotify, this is now completely revamped. I don't know if you've seen the older Spotify version, but it's now completely revamped with a lot more richer UI to reflect what are the same design language as you are used to on your phone. And it has things like filters, right? Podcast for music, everything else. And my favorite feature here is the Jam, where you can just scan the QR code and you can add your music to the playlist. Especially given your car is a communal device, there are other passengers and they want to share and partake in entertainment, so they want to make sure that you don't have to share aux, you can directly do it this way. The next application I'm going to show you is YouTube Music. Again, just like Spotify, it is also built to kind of reflect the design language of your phone. Everything will feel familiar. You have your regular playlists and so on and so forth. Right, and you can play.
Even measure the outcomes, and then
the next application is Google Maps, and in what is its biggest revamp in the last decade, Google Maps is bringing in immersive navigation to cars. So what that means, because we are in a stationary car, the best way to kind of demonstrate that is to simulate a drive. So I'm going to teleport us to San Francisco. So we are on 2nd Street. Heading over to the ballpark, and so as we drive, you see all the detail in the 3D imagery and so on, and to kind of give you an intuitive look of where you are at. And also there is smart zoom as well as changing perspective and buildings transparency changes, so you can look around the road, helps you navigate better, gives you a lot more spatial understanding of the environment you're driving in, and also notice the rich detail in here. Right, this is a result of Google Street View and aerial imagery being synthesized by Gemini to give you that level of detail. You also see traffic lights coming up, and all of the detail is like very clear, right? And as you are driving forward and you pull up closer to your destination, you will see parking spots popping up, so you can go and park